everybody, Justine here from the Arts College, and this is discovering how to do fun, quick and easy art projects with art kits. Now, I am a kind of person that likes to take materials and start from scratch, but what I have really discovered is what is out there now and how art kits is quite beneficial. First of all, it saves you time in going and finding all the art materials to complete a project. So for instance, even like building a gingerbread house, the icing is in there, decorations are in there, the actual gingerbread, bricks have been built for you. I've even looked at, going to the range and getting these glass hanging items to put on windows, and the paint is in there, the brushes are in there, and the templates are in there. So if you especially find you're not very arty, or if you want to even give a gift, it's a really great thing to be able to use to almost take the stress away completely. If you've got children at home as well, art kits are a great resource to do with them, because you can start to see which ones they take longer on and spend the time on. Now, what you'll be seeing is we've done loads of actual art reviews, even with my daughter, where I've seen where she has spent more time on, and then we've done a great family golden time experience together as a family. And it's looking at what are those art kits and actually what it tells you about yourself, your child, or the person that loves art, because they may think they can't do art, and then they get this art kit and it's actually pretty cool. So our top tip for today is looking at types of art kits where you can get them cost effective as well. I have found the best place is actually at therange.co.uk. The works, some of the art kits I find are a bit expensive, so I would, because the boxing and the packaging looks amazing, but go and look at the range and you will see it's really cost effective for what you pay for.